he can get away with saying anything to anybody. It would be amazing, like you, miss. Hey, girl. How are you?
Doing good. How are you?
50.
Not bad. No, I was thinking maybe later and go back to your place.
Oh, you don't know. She's
Oh, hold on. Hold on. Because I want you to take some peanut butter. I want you to smear it on my face. Now stay steady because things are about to get cray. I want you to take some jelly, put a little on your face, and maybe... we could make a sandwich. Because, hey, YOLO. Thanks, guys. I've been Mike Moratis. Give it up for Naughty. Thank you for having me. It's such a beautiful place.